Today coming up with palm tree side bend. Stand straight with both feet apart. Inhale, interlock your fingers and raise the arms above shoulders. Then slowly exhale, bend to the right, stretching through the waist from the hip to the wrist. Hold the pose for several breaths. Then inhale back to center and repeat on the other side. Practice for 2 to 3 times both sides and relax. It's a powerful stretch to detox and stimulate digestion and increase blood circulation. Sitting table pose. Inhale and extend right arm forward, and if comfortable in balance, extend the left leg back. Stay in the position and focus on the breath. Then exhale your arm down before bringing your knee to the floor. Repeat the action with opposite arms and legs. Friends, do this at least 5 times. You must listen. A balanced body comes from a balanced mind. So this pose helps to improve the balance with focus and coordination, and helps to improve the memory as well. Extends and stretches the spine. Now bridge pose or Setu Bandhasan. Lie supine or on your back on the mat. Bend your knees. Set your feet and palms on the floor or mat. Now exhale and push your tailbone upward and lift the buttocks off the floor. Clasp your hands below, relaxing the shoulder stand that gives natural curve in the neck. Now stay for few seconds. Relax. Friends, do practice this pose for 3 to 5 times. Friends, next in prone position, half locust pose जिसे हम अर्ध शलभासन भी कहते हैं. Lie flat on the stomach with the chin on the floor. Brings the hand under the thighs with palm facing downwards. Now inhale, using back and leg muscles. Lift the right leg up as high as possible and keeping the toes pointing back. Stay in the position for 20 to 30 seconds. Lower right leg down and relax. Now repeat the same with the other leg. Friends, it strengthens the lower back and massage the pelvic organs. So after doing exercises or yoga poses, take rest. Honor this time, because this time is to heal and recover from the grind too. Now friends, it's time to meditate. When the mind is spinning, counting the breath is one of the most effective ways to slow down. The steady rhythm of the count helps to settle the mind's fluctuation and re-establish balance.